In this video, we're going to find the equation of a line given 2 points using a two-step process. Here's our problem. Find the equation of the line that goes through the points 1, 5, and 2, 4. No matter what points you're given, you're going to use the same process to solve a problem like this. The first is we need to find the slope. We're going to do this just like we did when we found the slope using 2 points. We are going to use the equation m, which stands for slope, equals y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So let's label our points up here. So this will be point 1, this will be point 2, therefore we have x1, y1, x2, y2. Now let's substitute those values. y2 is equal to 4. Then we're going to subtract y1, which is 5. On the bottom of our fraction, x2 is 2. We subtract x1, which is 1. Now let's simplify. 4 minus 5 is negative 1. 2 minus 1 is positive 1. So we have the fraction negative 1 over 1, which is equal to negative 1. That's our slope, or m. Now, just like in the problems where we are given the slope and 1 point, we can use our standard equation, y equals mx plus b, and substitute in negative 1 for the slope. Y equals negative. We generally don't write the 1 there, although we could. We could say negative 1x, but I'm just going to write it as negative x plus b. Now we can use that substitution step, and we can pick either point from above, but let's pick the point 1, 5. What that point tells us is that this line goes through x equals 1, y equals 5. So we can substitute those values into this equation. Y is 5, negative x, which is, I'll use a parenthesis here, x is 1, plus b. We can simplify that by eliminating that parenthesis. Negative 1 plus b. We can isolate b. The only thing being done to b on this side is adding negative 1. So let's add positive 1. Plus 1 plus 1 to both sides. That gives us 6 is equal to b. b and the 6 look awfully similar. I'm just going to rewrite that in the other order. b equals 6. And now we can rewrite our equation. So we are going back to this step right here, where we had our initial equation. We were just missing b. And I'm going to rewrite that down here based on what we know about b. Y equals negative x plus 6. And that would be our answer. Okay, clearing that drawing off. And here is your practice problem. Find the equation of the line that goes through the points 3, 4, and 4, 5. Go ahead and try to follow that same process that we just used. First find the slope, and then find the y-intercept and put the final equation together. You can pause the video now and then continue it when you're ready to see the answer. Go ahead and pause. And the correct answer to that equation is y equals x plus 1. Congratulations if you got that. If not, I would suggest re-watching the first part of the video and trying to follow the steps more carefully and make sure you're doing the algebra correct.